Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to read Chapter 7, entitled The Taliban and SWAT. Before we get started on our reading, we are going to preview a few vocabulary words. The first word is menacingly. That means threateningly. Next word is coward. That is crouched down in fear. The next word is fanatic. A fanatic is a person with an obsessive interest and enthusiasm for something. The next word is defy. Openly resist or refuse to obey. Somebody who does not listen is defying. The next word is flogging. Flogging is a punishment where the victim is hit repeatedly with a whip or a stick. An infidel is a person who does not believe in religion or who adheres to a religion other than one's own. A cassette is a sealed plastic unit that contains a length of audio tape, videotape, or film, and it's wound on a pair of spools, as you can see in the picture, and then you insert it into a recorder or a playback device to listen to what was recorded. And lastly, the word is camouflage. Camouflage is the disguising of military personnel, equipment, and installations by painting or covering them to make them blend in with their surroundings. Okay, you're going to now read Chapter 7 and head to Google Classroom for today's assignment. Have a great day.